So 2 goes into 3 one time. 2 times 1 is 2. And then we want to subtract those two numbers. So we get a 1. Then we want to bring down the next digit. Then we want to think, how many times does 2 go into 16? So that goes into 16 8 times. 2 times 8 is 16. So we get a remainder of 0. So what does this mean? It means that 2 times 18 is 36. And that has a remainder of 0. It also means 36 divided by 2 is 18. So now let's give some names to everything here. So this thing right here is called the divisor. This is called the quotient, and this is called the dividend. Okay, let's do one more. 2 goes into 5 how many times? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the 6. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 2 times 16 is exactly 16. Bring down the 7. 2 goes into 7 3 times. 7 minus 6. Now where did I get this 1/2 from? You take the remainder and you divide it by the divisor. 3 goes into 3 one time. Bring down the 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 9 minus 9 is 0. Bring down the 7. 3 goes into 7 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. The second line might be confusing, but if you think about it, all we're really doing here is we're dividing both sides by 3. And then this ends up being this side, and this ends up being this side. 3 times 132 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3. And then these 3's cancel, so we end up with this. This might seem not important to you right now, but this is exactly what they use in long division of polynomials in grade 12. So it might be useful to start getting familiar with it now. For homework, you can do these 4 questions in blue. The first 2 questions are useful in everyday math. The last 2 questions are a little bit harder and would only be relevant if you want to get good at long division